Welcome. If you've ever wanted a break from constant Instagram notifications, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to pause all notifications on Instagram for exactly 2 hours using the latest update. Whether you're studying, working, or just need a little peace and quiet, this quick guide will help you stay focused without missing anything important later. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to pause notifications. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the menu icon in the top right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to open up the menu. From here, tap on the Settings option. This will take you to a list of all your account settings. Next, find and tap on Notifications. This is where you can control all the alerts Instagram sends you, from likes and comments to direct messages and more. At the very top of the notifications page, you'll see an option labeled Pause All. Go ahead and toggle this switch on. As soon as you do, a menu will pop up, letting you choose how long you want to pause notifications. Select 2 hours from the list. And that's it. For the next 2 hours, you won't receive any push notifications from Instagram. Your phone will stay quiet, and you can focus on what matters most to you. When the 2 hours are up, notifications will automatically start coming through again, so you won't miss out on updates from friends or your favorite creators. If you ever want to pause notifications for a different amount of time, just repeat these steps and choose the duration that works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on making the most out of your favorite social media apps. See you in the next video.